Hey, I want to tell you, Hindus are the only civilization. Do not need to be ashamed at all about your past. Everything happened in your past, you have done best. Don't be ashamed. Nothing to be guilty of. If at all you need to be guilty or ashamed of something, whatever was falsely taught to you as a Hinduism and brainwashing done on you by the anti-Hindu cult and anti-Guru Hindu cult, you need to be ashamed of only that brainwashing and whatever you allowed to happen to you due to that brainwashing. That's all. The sati, the original sati system, the modern day Hindus do not even know. The anti-Hindu cult, how they taught and brainwashed the Hindus about the sati system, only that the modern day Hindus know. The original system of sati is an amazing spiritual science of leaving the body and taking the next body. Sati, the women committing suicide when the husbands die. We need to look in a little bit. You won't find a single reference of a Hindu king, even if he conquers other kingdom, disrespecting women or raping them, imprisoning them or abusing them or using them. You won't find a single reference. Look into the history. Our women carried the best DNA developed by our rishis. Stealing our women was the worst stealing done. That is the worst conspiracy done against Hinduism. Because the best DNA which our ancestors built with so much of sacrifice, this whole thing actually need to be revisited. How the sati was forced on us. Why will a Rajput queen, till yesterday she lived as a queen, respected, revered even by king? Please understand. In the Saptapadi, the fourth vow is you will not force yourself on the other person physically or psychologically whenever the other person is not ready. The fourth vow in the Saptapadi, when she has been living like that even in the marriage, treated with so much of respect and sacred way, why will she want to live being tortured by brutally, raped, abused, tortured by the beasts, fully drunk? Why will she want to live facing that kind of a torture every day? So burning herself was the best option. She was left out. Sati was forced upon our women by the rapist invaders. Our women are so graceful. There is a clear writing in the Rajputs' history why they chose of burning themselves instead of drinking poison. Drinking poison and all could have been very less painful death. Burning is a worst painful death. Why they chose that worst painful death of burning themselves? They are giving a clear answer. Even after death, no one should touch her. Why any women want to be a sex slave for the gang of rapists and be part of their rapist orgies? Why? I tell you. Sati was not compulsory. Kundi did not die. When Dasharatha died, neither Kausalya nor Kaikeyi or The mother of Lakshmana and Shatrugna died, Sumitra. None of them entered into fire. Hey, be very clear about Hindu history and Hinduism. All right, you stopped the sati, or you stopped the whole society? I am questioning them. You stopped the whole society. Falsely branding sati as murder or suicide. Actually, people who branded sati as murder and suicide is nothing but they want our Hindu women as sex slaves for them.